Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Well, I've been playing around here and I just scraped a little swipe that I didn't like. So I thought I would just put all the paint in the middle because I hate wasting paint and just do a bloom. I liked all the colors that I used except for the yellow. I didn't like the yellow in there. So I'll use the same colors and then I'll do a swipe, another video. So the colors are blue, purple, light blue, violet. I'll put this one down first because I think it's opaque. Something in there. So silver. Ultramarine blue and Pebeo violet. This one is Meaden silver, Pebeo violet, Amsterdam ultramarine blue, and Liquitex Basics. All right, let's do white and black. And I'll modify it. Oh, it's pretty. Lots of pretty cells. I did blow quite hard in the middle there, so this might take a while to come back into the middle. Excuse me. I love this colors. Well, I'll see what I can. Okay, I think it's time to spin it. My recipes for my bloom mixture are in the description under my video. There's also a discount code for the Sheleeart Bloom course for 15% off. It's well worth it. All right. There, I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. I just poured some Glidden Premium on here. I'm going to do a bloom because that's one of my favorite techniques to do. And it's going to be the blue and purple one. I did one already. Actually, I might put them both on the same video. So I'll go through this one pretty quickly and I'll add it to the other video. This is the first one that I did. So I'm going to do one very similar. Same colors anyway. All right. Oops. Okay, let's see what we're gonna use here. Put this violet. This is Blue Violet by Liquitex Basics. Silver by Meaden Fluid Paints. Fluid Acrylic. I have a link to a discount code to the Meaden products they have on their website. Check them out. Discount for 10% off. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. You won't miss one. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below. This is ultramarine blue. Now let's put some purple on top. This is Pibio Violet. There's recipes in the description under my video for the bloom technique. I use it for swipes also. And a discount code for the Sheleeart course. I might have said this in the first video, but anyways, this is number 2. Ooh. This one's gonna be a little darker than the other one, but it's very cool. Very cool colors. I was gonna do 2 separate videos, but I think I'll just put it with the other bloom that I did. Now I'm gonna try and do a swipe with these colors possibly. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Pretty cells. One big one in the middle. Make like little planets. The middle to come back. Let's go. Let's get that middle filled in there. All right, let's give it a spin. Oh, isn't that pretty? Very pretty. You gotta be careful that this doesn't slide off because these mats can be slippery with the paint if it's on paint. I had one slide off. Okay, I think it's good. See if it's moving. No. Okay, I think I'm going to let this dry, and I'll put the dried result at the end of this video. Stick around, and you'll see how they dry. Have a good day, everybody. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tiles. I just love these colors. Gorgeous. Dried really well. Very pretty. I love these. They'll look great resined. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.